Welcome once again to Pauline's Book Show. Today we are in the section for the church documents. We shall be going through this apostolic exhortation written by Pope Francis, Beloved Amazon. As we know, apostolic exhortations like this are written by the Pope himself. And this book is written after a synod of bishops on the Amazon region and the issues facing the Amazon region and its people. This apostolic exhortation, or we can also call it the post-synodal apostolic exhortation, Beloved Amazon, is written to all, despite the fact that the realities presented in this document focuses on the Amazon region, a region which is shared by 9 countries: Brazil, Bolivia, Colombia, and so on. The Amazon region is considered the lung of humanity. The Pope wishes that this document will reach out to the whole world and not only enrich the world, but challenge us by the realities facing the Amazon region to strive to care for our environment and its people. This document has 4 chapters. The first chapter talks about a social dream. The second one is a cultural dream. Then we have a third chapter which talks about an ecological dream. And the fourth chapter talks about an ecclesial dream. And the Pope concludes by entrusting the region to Mary, Mother of the Amazon region. Taking the first chapter, which talks about the social dream, we see the area of the ecological challenges facing the Amazon region, not forgetting the question of injustice, the question of illegal or legal timber and mining industries, the marginalization of the indigenous people, enslavement of all kinds, human trafficking, poverty, increase of xenophobia, and so on. One of the unique values lived by the people in this region is a sense of community, the sense of sharing and being able to face challenges together as one people. Chapter 2 helps us to know the cultural realities of the people, their lifestyle and worldview, and how they have adapted to possibilities around them. It helps us to appreciate the fact that in each land and its features, God manifests himself and reflects something of his inexhaustible beauty. There are many more issues discussed in this document. And as we read through the chapters, we not only get enriched by the beauty that there is, but also we are challenged to see how to unify our action of caring for the environment and for all human persons. This document also invites the Church to see the way forward, especially in the area of inculturating the gospel values in every aspect of our different cultures. We can read more about the dreams of Pope Francis for the people of the Amazon region by going through this book, Beloved Amazon. Thank you.